What's a crab say? Crab says
fish.
Oh, fish.
Fish. Fish.
What's a
fish?
T.
Fish.
Boo.
Fish.
5.
Fish.
Fish.
Wow.
Fish.
T.
Fish.
Boo.
Fish.
T.
Fish.
You're
Fish.
counting. That's good.
Wow.
Look at the fish.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Fish.
look at the fish.
Fish. Fish.
Here, Mom.
Fish.
Fish. Fish. What does a fish
What does a fish say, Veda? You do it.
Lizard.
Ooh, lizard.
Oh.
Lizard.
Look at the lizard. Where's the lizard? Oh.
Lizard.
Ah.
Lizard.
Ah.
Lizard.
Lizard.
Ah.
Lizard. Lizard.
Lizard. Oh.
Lizard.
Oh,
Lizard.
hi.
Lizard. Lizard.
Are you ready to say what the
Lizard.
lizard says?
Yeah.
Okay, get ready.
Lizard.
Ah.
That's the scary lizard,
Lizard.
right?
Oh.
Lizard.
What's a sign for lizard?
Lizard.
Can you do the sign
Lizard.
for lizard?
What does a
Oh.
lizard
What
say?
does the lizard say? What does the lizard say, Veda?
Bear.
Good job.
Bear.